Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI. Welcome to my spice drawer. When we got our new house, we put in these awesome hidden drawers, but for organizing spices, it's a little bit difficult because I had a lot of big mismatched things. So I found these SpaceAid spice jar drawer organizers, and it is exactly what I needed. I got the set that came with the 28 spice jars. I really love that it came with the racks for them to sit on. So if you have them laying down in a drawer, it's so nice and easy to see them all displayed nicely. But also, if you were gonna put them up in a cupboard, you could stand them up in the rack also so that you'd be able to see them when they're on the shelf. I really appreciated that it came with a funnel for filling. It made it so much easier and way less messy when I was organizing these. I love how easy these spice jars were to fill with the provided funnel, and also how nice and tidy my spice drawer now looks because of these. But that's just my point of view.